I just leveled up. I posted this on Discord and I leveled up. I mean, hello, it's me, Vloggio. And I am, let me just select the window real quick. Blah. There we go. So I'm going to be playing Resident Evil 2. Or there are beeps. Good. I'm going to be playing Biohazard 2 on the PC. And I just unlocked again hard mode. I don't know, I unlock hard mode and then I turn off the PC and I come back to it. And for some reason, it goes away again. So, yeah, there won't be any cutscenes because the game, you know, is broken a little bit. It's not meant for Windows 10. But, yeah, it's going to be interesting. And also down there, you can see that I'm going to have the actual health meter. And how many, what's that, body counts, sprays that I've used, times that I've saved. And I'm going to be playing this on Nightmare. I want to finish this. It's a personal challenge. So, original mode. Leon on hard. Let's go. Let's do this. 2. Okay. I'm gonna be skipping the cutscenes because it's useless. What? What?
A bizarre incident occurred.
You actually get to see the cutscenes?
American suburb.
No, but just these.
City.
Just these. You won't be getting the actual full
later revealed that the terrible
FMVs. It's not an FMV, so it doesn't count.
The T-virus. A mutagenic toxin created by the international enterprise
It's the only cutscene we're gonna enjoy
for
together,
use in
you and me.
bioweapon experiments. The Raccoon City police.
Well, sorry. I keep forgetting that. If I switch windows, the game goes inactive. Sorry.
The case was apparently closed, thanks to the efforts of STARS members Chris Redfield and Jill Valentine. But the Umbrella Corporation's experiments...
I hope the counter resets and everything. Because it still says danger right now. I'll just close it and reopen it if that's the case. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is on Nightmare mode. I should be okay. I should be okay. I should be fine. I should be fine. I should be fine. Look at this. Look at this pro. Look at me going. Alright, so let me just go this way. And then... I don't want to get bitten, not even once, because one bite will get you straight to danger. Saranya, hello! Welcome, you are first. You are first today. So yeah, this is on Nightmare mode.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Hold your fire! I'm a human!
I cannot skip these cutscenes, but I can skip the doors
I thought
though.
you were one of them.
What's going on in this town?
Hold on. I don't have a clue. By the time I noticed something was wrong, the entire city was infested with zombies.
Alright, so I'm gonna do the ammo thing. There's no way. There's no way I'm not gonna pick up ammo, so. Hey, Nikki! Hello! Alright, look at this. So this, yeah, this is very intense, this mode. This is very intense. One bite from a zombie will throw you straight into danger. So, yeah. I have to take these down. Ooh, there's a very random chance that every now and then their head pops off, so wow. Other than that, they're just bullet sponges, huh? They are just bullet sponges. Okay. Careful now. Stay back. Don't come any closer. Stay back. Okay, maybe I can do this real quick. Okay. Yes. Oof, okay. Morning, Vloggy. How are you today? Doing great. I'm doing great. I did a bunch of errands. Now it's just game. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play some Resident Evil 2. I want to finish this on Nightmare. I never beat this game on Nightmare. When I tried this, the first time I tried this, I thought there was ammo here, but I think I'm wrong. Can I pull this off? Can I? I want to try this. I'm gonna do this. Come on, buddy. Uh-oh. This way. Whoop. Oh, so good. So yeah, now that I'm done adulting for the day. I'm gonna be playing some video games. Look, it's Mr. Bean's car. Beep beep. Oh, come on. No, no! I never did that before. Actually went through the zombies. Oh, scary stuff. I feel like the hardest part in Resident Evil is just... Oh, no, 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 no! Alright, that doesn't count though. Okay, quickly now. If I can pull this off... I think the hardest part of the game is this part right here. This one. Ah! Okay, we got this. Uh-oh. This one. Okay. That's it. The hard part is over, that's it. That's it. We're good. We're GG. I could have sworn there's an herb here. No. Wow. And I'm very happy I got to install this little mod thing that shows me the ammo in my gun without having to go through the menu every single time. That's a plus for me. Plus I get to see my health as well. So yeah. Let's do this real quick.
Oh man.
I hate that I cannot skip cutscenes.
Who are you? Oh, you must be the new guy. Leon. Sorry, but it looks like your party has been cancelled.
What happened?
About 2 months ago, there was this incident involving zombies in a mansion located in the outskirts of this city. Chris and the other STARS members discovered that Umbrella was behind everything. They risked their lives to reveal the truth, but no one believed them. Not long after
Hey,
that,
Toby! Welcome!
all this started to happen.
Hang in there.
Don't worry about me. Just rescue the survivors in the other rooms. Here, take this key card.
I actually read a tweet today from Residents of Evil and said he spoke to a Capcom employee and advised him that the game is on schedule and it's not going to be delayed or anything like that. I don't know. Resident Evil 2
Just
remake.
hold on.
Interesting. Very interesting. I'll believe it when I see it. I need to be careful from the liquor now because the liquor can one-hit kill me, for sure. No doubt about it. I'm not gonna save though. I need to see Nikki play this game. And when I say I need to see Nikki, I mean I need. It's like literally a need. I'm just gonna put some stuff in the box. Well, actually, it's just this for now. Alright, now I need to... Trying to think. Should I dodge? Should I try to get the herb, or should I just run? I'm gonna run. I'm gonna bother with the herb. No sweet herbage. Go, 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 go! Okay, whew. I'm barely shooting any zombies. Look how many bullets I racked up. But I'm collecting the bullets anyway because... Okay. Collecting the bullets anyway because zombies here are bullet sponges, huh? Oh, today we're gonna have a Pokemon stream, alright? And we're gonna battle everyone. Everyone. Including Toby. I wanna battle everyone. I think I'm gonna get trashed, to be honest with you, because I didn't even finish the game, so... Now then. Run this way. Okay, good. Good. No. Whoa. Look how many bullets. Oh, no. Oh, wow. Wow, that was epic. That was epic. Alright, this guy now. Whew. Look how many bullets they take. Come on, dude, seriously? Wow. Alright, wow. At least. Okay, got his head. Nice. Good. Wow. Stressful. I think that's up until I get the shotgun, to be honest with you, because then I can just one hit shots them in the head. I think. Alright. I'm not gonna need this for now, and I'm not gonna need this for now either. Are there any handgun bullets over here? No? No. Ugh. Okay, let's go. Last night I went to sleep at 5 AM. 5 AM. And I woke up this morning at 10. It's not bad. Not bad if I say so myself. 1, 2. Oh, come on, dude. I'm playing this with the analog. Because for some reason the controller... Oh, dude, come on, push. Really? I had to push more than... Oh. So 3 then. 3 pushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, come on, man. I freaking hate the analog, but... on PC, it wouldn't let me configure the actual buttons. I had to use the analog. I don't know why. Come on, dude. Oh, man. Hey, Ivan, welcome. Welcome, my friend. I'm struggling to push statues. Nice to see you. I've been itching to play some RE lately. I think tomorrow I'm gonna play Resident Evil 4. I want to finish it in one sitting. I don't know, I've never done that. I would love to do that. Alright, here we go. Start shooting from here. Okay, nice. Nice! Alright, so I think I got the shotgun now, so it will make things yes, much easier now. Leon!
It's good to see you're still among the living. It looks like we're not gonna find your brother here after all. There's no reason for us to stay any longer than necessary. Let's split up, look for any survivors, and get out of here.
Right.
One last thing. Here's a radio. Take it. That way we can keep in touch if anything happens.
By the way, guys, this is the best looking Resident Evil you can actually get. legit. Without any hacks or mods. This is the best looking version of RE2. Alright, so... Oh no... I will after vlog is done. I won't take long actually. I don't know if you saw my tweet. I just finished this game already once. Just before I started this, I just did a run already. And it took me 1 hour 15 minutes. Might take a bit longer because I'm playing it on Nightmare. But... So, let's go. I'm gonna have to pass by the liquor again. I don't know how this works. I mean, I was just hugging the other wall. I always do the same thing, but sometimes I get caught anyway. I don't know how it works. Make me angry. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try attempt. Come on, come on, come on. Whoa, did you see that? Do you see what skill that is? Oh, man. Man, my sphincter went like... But I'm good. We're good. Yeah, I want to do RE4 in one sitting tomorrow. I don't know if that's gonna work out, but I don't know. We shall see. I'm gonna have to go back again. I'm gonna have to deal with the... Man, I wish I didn't have to deal with the liquor, but I'm gonna... Okay, one more. Let's go. I want to consume the herbage. You know what I'm gonna do actually? Can I do this? Ah, alright, since I got hit now, might as well go through. Alright. Now then. Alright, we got this. Out, out. I want to pick up that herb, but it's too dangerous. I think I'm gonna leave it there. Let's go. We had a successful playthrough yesterday, me and Ari Talk, with Outbreak. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Let's go. There's another zombie here, I think. Can we pop his head? I got... Oh, you're gonna be okay. Ooh, nice. GG. Now then, time to switch to... Ugh. Let's go. Guys, watch this. Watch this. This is how it's done. This is how it's done. Oh, I don't think... Oh, crap. That's not how I wanted to show you guys, but... Whatever. 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 We tried, we tried. I love this music so much. I can dodge these zombies out here, I think. Depends how many there are. Yeah, same numbers. normal mode, so we're gonna be okay. We gonna be okay. Let's run, 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 run. I don't need this. I'll take this. I don't need this. Let me think. Do I run into any herbs outside? No. And let's go. Unlock the door just in case we'll need it later. Ah! It's all my dad's fault. He's calling right now. I swear my dad... It's one of these two things. Either my dad calls me always during a live stream on purpose. Maybe he knows that I'm streaming so he does it on purpose. It's either that or I play way too... I'm gaming way too often, so anytime he calls I'm always gaming. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna take the bullets just in case. No, no, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I could have sworn there was ammo over there. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, let's take care of these guys. Look, I don't want to waste. Nice! Look at that. Look how much ammo they take. Look at that. It's ridiculous. What the heck? No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. Oh! It's incredible, man. Is he dead? No, he's not! That's ridiculous. Is he dead? Yeah, he is. Wow! I'll take those, thank you very much. Ugh. Not used to the controls. Hey! Hey, me! Welcome! How are you? Look what I'm playing. Playing Nightmare like a boss. Now then, put this here. I don't need. Actually, I'm gonna keep this. I don't need this. And I think I'm done with the handgun now. Let's go. Okay. I'm good, thanks. Thank you for asking. Just had a day of adulting and responsibilitying. Now, where do I go? Oh, I remember, yes. Yes. Oh, seriously? Alright, now I need... Wow, I'm at 48. We're good. I spent the day adulting, and now that everything is done, all the responsibilities are sorted, I get the video game all day. I already finished this game once. The thing is, I beat this game, and I unlocked hard mode, and then when I restarted the computer, it was gone, the hard mode option. I don't know what happened. I really don't know. So I had to do it again. So I already beat this game once, an hour ago, just to get hard mode back. Or nightmare mode, whatever. We can do this. Body count is 9. Let's see how many we're gonna get at one go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, only 2. How is it still 9 body count? What's going on? How is it still 9 body count? That's very strange. Very strange. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. Body count is stuck at 9. I don't know. I don't know how these things work. Hello. 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 Oh, come on, you're kidding me? Actually, I'm not gonna bother with them now. There's no point. Bye, have a great time. Is there shotgun shells here? No. Bye, have a great time. I'm done here. So. Let's go this way. Right? Yeah. Can I pull this off? Can I pull this off? 1, 2. Uh-oh. No! That's not what I had in mind. No. Out. Okay. Alright, we got this. 1, 2. One shotgun round left. Just the one. Just the one. Make it count. 2, 3, 6. More shotgun shells. I don't need a map. Hey, Bill! Welcome. I'm gonna be Pokemoning later, Bill. If you wanna battle me. Okay. Gonna pick this up. I used to hate this part so much back in my PlayStation 1 days. This underground, and I used to hesitate so much around these dogs. Oh man, I used to panic so much, these dogs. Nowadays I just run past them. I don't even worry. Oh man, how things change. Now cutscene. Sorry, I cannot skip these cutscenes. I missed the GameCube version because for that. But it looks really good on the PC. Look how pretty her face looks. Mwah! But it's true.
Sorry about that. When I saw the uniform, I thought you were another zombie.
Who are you?
Ada Wong.
And what are you doing here?
I'm looking for some guy named Ben. He's one of those reporter types.
Is emergency misspelled incorrectly on the van? I just realized. Emergency! I just realized that! After all these years, just now I realized that emergency is incorrectly spelled. Look at that! No way!
If we work together,
Raccoon
we
Police
can move
Department
this thing.
emergency.
Give me a hand.
Oh, man, I can't believe it. Look at that! Even dial is incorrectly misspelled. D-A-I-L. Dale. What the heck? Really, dude? Look at that. D-A-I-L. Oh my goodness. Emergency Dale. After all these years. After all these years, now I realized that it was incorrectly spelled. Has anybody ever noticed that before? I was having a discussion with Ari Talk yesterday. In Outbreak, you can actually open this and go through. You get to see an extra area. Ada, wait! Emergency. Dial 911. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let me guess. You must be Ben, right? Get up, now!
What do you want?
What do you
I'm trying to
want?
sleep here.
Is this the guy?
Ben, you told the city officials that you knew something about what's been going on, didn't you? What did you tell them?
And who the heck are you?
I'm trying to find my boyfriend. His name's John. He was working for a branch office of Umbrella, based in Chicago, but he suddenly disappeared 6 months ago. I heard a rumor that he's here in the city.
I don't know anything. And even if I did, why would I want to tell you?
Okay, I say we leave him in there. Does anyone know where they put the key to this cell?
I have it right here, officer. But I'm not about to leave this cell. Those zombies aren't the only things crawling around out there.
What was that?
Like I said, I'm not leaving this cell. Get out of here before you lead it right to me.
Hey, I'm not going anywhere. I'm the only cop left alive in this building.
What?
Look, if you want to live, then you're gonna have to leave with me.
But do you even know how to get out of the city? There's a kennel in the back of the building. Inside the kennel is a manhole. Go through and it'll lead you to the sewer entrance, but it won't be easy.
All right, I'm going.
Listen to the borks. I hate this. This is all RNG. Good RNG. Good RNG. Ah. Alright, I'm gonna get the plugs right away. And I'm going to insert them. So, can get rid of this. Get the other two plugs. Let's get out of here. So vlog, is it time to make fun of you again tomorrow? I mean, or no, Pokemon? Yeah, today I'm gonna be playing Pokemon after this. Well, I mean, I finished this. I'll take a nap. I'll take a nap, and then I'm gonna wake up, and I'm gonna play some Pokemon, some more blind Let's Play. I'm gonna finish the story. Well, I'm not gonna finish the story. I'm gonna play some more of the story for a couple of hours, maybe 4 or 5 hours, and then I'm gonna battle some viewers. I'm gonna battle Toby, hopefully. I'm gonna battle Midna. We're gonna battle Red. Just a bunch of people. I need to make a thumbnail for that.
Ada? I don't think I've introduced myself yet. My name's Leon. I'm with the RPD. It's a dead end.
You think we can get upstairs through this shaft? Give me a boost. I'll go and check.
Bill. I see how it is. Alright. Let's go. Aha! See what you get when you mess with the warrior. I'm gonna grab these because I could use some of these. That is awesome, Amy, that is awesome! Alright, if you bear with me though, I mean, what I suggest is this. Well, I mean, you have two choices, Amy, you have two choices. Either you play it blindly with us and we'll explain the game on stream, you know, you'll explore the game on stream with us, or you can play it for a little bit by yourself, get used to the crafting recipes, you know, and what mines what. Like, you cannot mine coal with a shovel, for instance, or an axe. So you either do that by yourself, or we can help you, you know, discover the game. So you have two choices, basically. Then, hopefully next week, I'll reopen my server, because currently my server is closed. The thing is, my credit card expired, and the bank is supposed to send you a replacement, obviously. But I never got it. I mean, maybe I did and I lost it already. Maybe I didn't receive it. I don't know, but I've never seen the replacement. So, a bunch of subscriptions got cancelled. Obviously, because of the card. So I'm waiting for a new one now. Waiting for a new credit card. It's on its way. Once that happens, I need to responsor a bunch of people. Because everybody got unsponsored. And I'll reopen the server. I'll reopen the server. Yeah, we'll guys, it'll be fun.
Leon,
you know,
can you hear me?
To stream your first experience on Minecraft. It's gonna be awesome.
Did you find anything?
You're gonna love it.
Right here. Think fast. Here's one more. Hey, I can't reach the ventilation hole. I'm going to have to find another way around. I'll catch up with you later.
What? Ada, wait!
I won't go easy on any way one. What? Well, I mean, you are gonna trash me. I know I'm gonna get trashed because I'm gonna be using the team that I'm still raising. I haven't finished the game. Have you finished the game, Toby? Probably you did, you know? But me, I mean, you have to understand that you guys finished the game, I haven't. And I don't play the game unless I stream it. I have plenty of... God dang, good stuff. So yeah, I mean... red caution, you booblet. No! So as I was saying, I've had chances to play the game, but not to stream it, you know? You haven't yet? Alright. But most of you have, probably. Anyway, so I'm gonna be battling with a baby team, you know? Oh, by the way, Toby, I'm gonna get my, since the Pokemon Bank open now, I'm gonna get my big red. You know how I caught a, a Gyarados, and I was gonna raise it, and I called him Big Blue. I don't know if I called him Big Blue, but anyway, now I'm gonna replace him with Big Red from Crystal. Remember? Not Crystal, Silver. There's gonna be a licker here. There's gonna be a licker. Licker. Oh my goodness, that was scary. That was a one-hit kill, huh? That would have been a one-hit kill. Whew. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting Big Red for my team from Silver. Opening this door. Because I said when I caught Big Red, I told you I'm gonna use this for Ultra Sun or Ultra Moon. Now that the Pokemon Bank is open, time to make it happen. Okay, let's go. Did I see correctly? Did I notice a Magikarp plush? When you shared that picture, there was a Magikarp plush, wasn't there? I love this zombie. Look at the zombie on the floor. Look at this. Look at this. He's facing my way. Look, now he's gonna turn his head. Look. I love it. Oh! I shouldn't have played around with him. That's what you get. Alright, GG. There's probably a few more zombies here. Just the one? One is fine. I can handle one. That's a cute plush, actually. That's a cute plush. I want to get one. I want to get a Magikarp plush. The only one I have is Pikachu dressed up as... Actually, I have more than just Pikachu. What am I saying? I have Hoot. I have a Bellossom. I have a Gengar. Oh my goodness! Oh. Man! Actually, you know what? It will be around 6. What time is it right now? It's 4, 5, in about 2.5 hours, probably something like that. I'm gonna go this way now. Oh, did you see? He swiped right away when he got out. Nice job. Nice job. Oh, another one. I'm gonna have to do this, actually. Pick this one up. It's 5 there. Alright, so... in like 2 hours, something like that. Depends if I die over here. I hope I don't. I'm not gonna save. So if I die, it's GG stream. Because this was my favorite scenario as a kid, and still is actually, it still is, and I used to play this scenario so much, I used to believe that this was canon, not, you know, I used to think that Leon A and Claire B was canon, but it wasn't. It hurt my feelings. Alright, let's go. I just realized we're done with the police station. Wow. It's been 40 minutes. Come on. This one. We're done. All I have to deal with is just one liquor, As soon as I climb up those stairs, it's gonna be right in front of my face. Vloggy, you want me to use the Pokemon I'm traveling with? Yeah, sure, whatever. Sure. Whatever. I was thinking also giving a chance to those that don't even have a 3DS. Let's see, I'm not gonna be using this key. So, like this. Should be fine. So I was thinking of playing those also with those that, you know, those that even don't have a 3DS and would love to challenge me. Maybe we can use Pokemon Showdown, the website. It's really good, it's a good simulator battle. Maybe we could do that for those that don't have a 3DS. Nice try, sucker. Destroy him. Bill. Bill. Okay. I'm gonna send these zombies to get you. Why do you hate me, Bill? When I show you nothing but love. Why do you hate me? Why are you afraid of loving me? I know, right, Neo? I know, right? Welcome to the stream, by the way. Yeah, I don't know if you just joined or anything, but it's been like that all the way, huh? I've been dodging those lickers. Okay, we're done here. Let's go. I've been dodging lickers left and right, and center, front and center. We got this. This is nightmare. This is not a joke. This is super tough. For pros only. Don't try this at home. Alright, so now let's go. 43 minutes and I got all the plugs. Nice.
No!
No!
Get away!
So is it a fact when you breed shiny with a shiny? When you breed shiny with shiny, there's a better chance of getting shiny babies? Is that correct? I want Resident Evil Grey where you deal with all the architects of these places. Why? You don't like...
Can you still hear me?
You don't like the structures? I think the police station is an awesome building.
I don't believe this.
Except it lacks a bathroom. And there's architectural inaccuracy
irony.
in the police station, in the main hall.
Co-conspirator.
You don't know, Toby. That is fine.
Get that scum.
I was wondering something similar.
Make
Who the hell built the place?
him.
Hey, well, I mean, the police station originally was an art museum, and that was revealed in Outbreak.
Chest.
No bathrooms, exactly. No secret passages. Well, where is the point? There are no secret passages in this. Well, I mean, except for the one we just jumped through, the shaft. But other than that, there's no secret passages in this. Right? In the police station, there's no secret passages. Except the one we just went through. I mean, that was just a shaft. Whatever.
Where are you going, Ada?
To the chemical plant. I have a feeling that's where I'll find John.
Nobody cares, Ada.
Ada!
Nobody
Wait!
cares, Ada.
Hey!
Do you read me clear?
Do you read me, Claire?
I'm outta
We now
here.
have access to the back of the parking lot.
Got it.
I'm getting out of here and heading to the sewer. Can you meet me there?
I'm on my way.
Yeah, the mansion in RE1, yes, there are secret passages in the mansion. And it's interesting that even in RE7, the secret passages were actually done by the same guy that did the RE1 mansion. You actually get to find the receipts of the person, you know. That's interesting. Interesting stuff. There is another secret passage actually revealed in Outbreak as well. I just realized, underneath the fountain. There's a tunnel under the fountain. You cannot access it in this game, but in Outbreak, there's a tunnel under the fountain as well. Ugh! Ah, crap. Don't you hit me. Don't you hit me. Let's go. Crap, I'm on caution. Let me just check real quick. Do I have herbs in the chest? Oh yeah, I do. I'll take one of these. Use it. I don't know how much. I don't know how much ammo is gonna take with the Magnum, the monster. We'll see. Spam shoot, spam shoot. One. What did I get? Is he not dead yet? No. Okay, gun is empty. No. I'm not gonna deal with these anymore. Out. Okay. Let's get out of here. Body count is stuck on 9. I hate that.
Ada! What was that all about? Running off like that was reckless and stupid. Those zombies are everywhere. Not to mention that thing that got bent.
The thing is,
I
mean,
Leon. I know.
a game like that wouldn't be scary though. Do you think that Rising is scary?
As an officer,
Nope.
it's my job to look out for you. But we're not going to get through this alive if
Actually,
we don't
that
work
Rising
together,
became ridiculous.
Okay?
All right. We'll do this your way for now.
Nah, I didn't think 4, 5, and 6 weren't scary personally. 4 kinda creepy, but I wouldn't say scary. The scary Resident Evil were 1, 2, not so much. 3, a little bit. Then 4, kinda creepy. 5 and 6, they weren't scary at all. That's just my opinion. Okay, Bill, no problem. See you later. What else? And then 7 was scary. Scary. I think 7 was like the scariest game, I think. So I'm gonna leave this empty over here, and I'm gonna take the valve handle over here, and we leave. I hate doing this, but it's very important that I get this stuff over here. Oh, come on, dude. Yeah, it's true. There is a Resident Evil reference in the Rising game. There's a sandwich shop called Jill's Sandwich. I got the valve, alright, and out. Yeah, they could easily mix the universes if they wanted, like Frank meeting with Resident Evil characters. Hey, Fog and Shadow, welcome.
Leon, that woman was... I have to talk to her.
yeah, what I'm playing is on Nightmare. It's much, much tougher. Zombies are bullet sponges here. Okay, there's a bug in this game that you actually die because of bugs here. I hope it doesn't happen. You get stun locked by these bugs. Hope it doesn't happen. If it happens, I'm gonna rage. If these bugs get you, there's no way of freeing yourself, and they will kill you. Oh, come on. Alright, I cannot skip this, so we're gonna have to watch.
Don't move. You're the one who was with that cop, if I'm not mistaken. Identify yourself. Ada? Ada Wong. Ada Wong. I've heard that name before. Now I remember. One of the men from Chicago who came to assist the T-virus research used his girlfriend's name as his password. Ada and John, I believe. How did you know? Who are you?
Metroid in the style of Dark
Annette
Souls.
Birkin. My husband was the man
Still thinking about
responsible
that.
for the creation
I
of
don't
the
know.
T-virus.
I don't know.
William
I
Birkin.
hate Dark Souls. It's not my
What?
it's not my kind of game.
John's dead. He became one of those zombies. My condolences. And although I regret this, you will be joining him shortly. I won't let anyone take the G-virus away from me. G-virus? It's capable of creating the ultimate bioweapon. Its potential
No, you can mash all the buttons you want. It won't make any difference. You get stun locked.
The police department is
Hey, Red! Hello to you too.
my husband, William.
Welcome, Red.
And it's all Umbrella's fault. None of this would have happened if they hadn't tried to steal his research away from him.
I'm gonna skip this cutscene now. Even though it's my favorite cutscene of all time, but...
So those rats were the carriers of the virus.
yeah, I love
As a
that.
result of his virus-induced transmutation.
That's not very sincere.
William should have lost any prior memories he
I'm
had as a
kidding.
human by now. Even worse, every G-virus bioweapon, including William, has the ability to implant embryos into other creatures. And create offspring.
It's not bad, huh? Less than an hour already made it to the sewers, considering this is nightmare mode. And I haven't saved once. Voltec.
Too bad.
There is a nice Resident Evil crossover. Resident Evil / Dead Rising crossover in Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. I enjoyed the story. I finished the game, but I don't see myself playing it over and over again.
Ada?
The slap, yeah, the slap is iconic. Alright, so pick up this one. And pick up this one. I hear the scooters. Scooter! Yes, it is Leon A, that's right, yeah. Alright, so, let me think. I'll take these, and... let's go. I find it funny that Ada just stood there shooting the alligator from over there. She could have just climbed back the ladder to be safe, but she never did. She could have just climbed the ladder and shoot him from the bridge up there, but nope. It's his umbrella, the canister as well. Come on. Is it a crocodile or an alligator? Hmm? What? That was weird. I wasted 2 shots. Two shots. Ah. We're still less than an hour. We're good.
Leon.
This bullet wound isn't making things any easier.
Quiet, Leon. I'll patch you up. That's 2 I owe you.
Don't mention it.
I just found out. John's dead.
What?
Never mind. Let's just get out of here. The sooner the better.
Let's go. I'm gonna have to use this. Now we're gonna go through the same vent, but the bugs are gone for some reason. I always assume she told Leon, there's a lot of bugs in there, it's disgusting, we shouldn't go through there. He's like, no, there's nothing to worry about, let's go together, I'm sure there's nothing. And they go through and there's nothing. It's like, see, there's nothing. But there was bugs. Yeah, I'm sure there was. He never believes her that there was bugs in there. Oh, she got poisoned. I don't think she can die though. I think they're a bit bigger than quarters though. I think they're kind of medallions, not just coins. How many shotgun rounds do I have? I have 3. Good gun. Still under an hour. We're doing well. Okay. We approach the final minute of the first hour. I love this music now. The upcoming music is like the best music in RE2, in my opinion. Listen to that music. I'm gonna be quiet. he did. Did you know? You didn't know that? Yeah, he did. And it's good music, actually. It's good music. It's a shame the movie sucked. Did I get him? Nope. Of course, he got me now. Oh, thank you. That's good. That's good stuff right there. Ah, crap, I reloaded the gun. Ah! No problem, no problem. I want to reload it. Ah, well. Because you get extra shotgun rounds. That's why. I wanted to upgrade it when the gun was empty. Whatever. Hold on. Better like this. Yes, yes. Yes, you're right. So, put these over here, put these over here, put this over here, and put this over here. Nope, nope. Okay. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab the Magnum again. I'm gonna use the first 6 rounds to shoot William with, because I think he's gonna be a bit stronger. This up. The movies were all terrible, but out of the terrible movies, yeah, the first one was the best. Best out of the worst. I realized something in this game. On the GameCube version, I could pick up the Magnum ammo from over here, if I'm not mistaken. But these are over here. I don't know, it's funny. Let's go. Oh, the body count went up to 15 now. That's weird.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
Alright, let's do this. Let's see if I can do it with no damage. I love this mutation, look at this. Alright, let's do this. This music is fantastic. Come on. I'm not gonna shoot with the... Nope! Oh! Come on, come on! Oh, he got me. No, 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 no. Alright, hold on, hold on. Run, 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 run. Holy crap! Takes a lot more gunshots. Oh, I shot the screen. Oh, I shot the screen again. That's awesome. Nice. Did you guys see that? I shot the screen. Why is 0? Meaning... What? You're like the first person I see to use weapon upgrades. I think they are good. You know what? I've been hearing that a lot lately, that the weapon upgrades are not as good. Yeah, I've heard people saying that. That the weapon upgrades are not good. I always upgraded my weapons, I don't know.
Don't die on me, Ada. Come on. Wake up. Come on.
I hate the recoil. Yeah, I broke the screen, sorry. I don't know, I assumed that they're better, I don't know. Weapon upgrades, but I've been hearing that speedrunners don't usually use. I don't know. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Hey, take it easy. We're inside Umbrella's secret lab. I'll go find something to treat that wound, so just rest here in the meantime.
But I'll only slow you down with these injuries. Go. Save yourself.
I told you, it's my job to look after you.
But you'll be in danger if you stay with me. I know I've only known you for a short period of time, but I really enjoy being with you. I know I'm not capable of caring about anyone, but I don't want to lose you.
We're leaving this place together. Wait here for me. I'll be right back.
Alright, so... actually, no. Should I upgrade my gun? I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't upgrade the gun. I'm not gonna upgrade the gun. That's it. It has been decided. I'm not gonna upgrade my gun. I wanna see how it goes without upgrading the gun. I'm gonna put that over there for now, and put that over there. Let's go. Let's go. This is my favorite part. I really can speedrun this real fast. Everything is frozen. I really enjoyed playing Outbreak yesterday with Aritalk. It was fun, revisiting these labs. Good times. There was a giant moth here. Good thing for the recoil. Did I get both of them? Nice. I never bother with this one over here. Don't be shy. Oh, I missed. That's not good. Ooh, I'm running out of shotgun rounds. I need to be careful. Come over here. Shut up. One last round. In your face. Alright. I'm done now. I'm out of shotgun shells. Don't worry, we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be just fine. Actually, no, wait a sec. There's gonna be zombies in here. I don't have anything to shoot with now. Not good. You know what? I am gonna upgrade my Magnum. I have to. I hate the recoil, but I'll try it some other time. Because I'm gonna get an extra bunch of rounds. Let's see, I'm on 0 right now, and if I upgrade, boom, I got 8 now. You see? I hate the recoil though. There's nothing I can do about that. The door closes. Alright, let's go this way. Can I pick up from here? No? Ah! Ah! Uh-oh. And we're out. Now it's run, Forest, run. Run, Forest, run. Them? Yes, I can. Nice. Okay. Wrong switch. No. I hate the recoil. Wow. Look at that, I got 3 at one go. That's neat. I'll pick up then. I'm full. I'm not gonna waste the shotgun round. Another round. You murdered my husband!
Murdered my husband? I know what you're looking for. You came for the G virus, didn't you? But you'll never take it from me. This is my husband's legacy. Now, where's that spy you were working with earlier? You know who I'm talking about.
What?
You really don't know anything, do you? You're so gullible. She's one of the operatives sent here by the agency. The only reason why she came here is to obtain the G-Virus.
That's a lie.
No, it's the truth. I discovered this when I did a background check on her. She specifically got close to John and became his girlfriend to get information about Umbrella.
That can't be. I know her. Ada wouldn't do something like that.
He knows her.
If you don't want to believe it, I don't really care.
They grew up
You're
together.
about to die anyway. What happened?
Let's go.
The self-destruct sequence has been activated. Repeat, the self-destruct sequence has been activated. This sequence may not be aborted. All employees proceed to the emergency car at the bottom platform.
Leon.
Another dramatic scene.
I've been waiting for you, Leon.
What are you doing?
You know what this is about. So just hand over the G-Virus.
I don't believe this. Annette was right. About everything.
That's why I told you to leave without me, but you wouldn't listen. Now hand it over. Don't make me shoot you.
You can't do that.
Philly! Look, I'm playing on Nightmare. Ada!
Ada!
I used to think this was canon.
Ada! I've got you. Don't give up.
G-Virus. Leon. It's over. Just let me go.
Shut up. You're gonna make it.
It's too late, Leon. We both know it.
No! I promised you that we would escape. You just have to help me out here.
I really wanted to escape with me, Leon. Escape from everything. Goodbye.
Ada! So, this is what everyone's been dying for.
Let's go. We're gonna do this. Come on. Can I touch the plant? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. That's gonna be my new thing from now on. No need to kill the plants. See? See? If you walk into them, they will hug you. Let's go. Yeah, the body count is going up again now. Oh, come on, you son of a biscuit! Oh, man, I'm gonna bother with you now. I need to get the ammo! Oh, man. I almost forgot. So, all the ammo, please. don't need this card anymore. Alright, is there any more ammo? I'm sure I had more. Oh. You see? I knew it. Well, that's gonna be it. 19 rounds. Let's go. Should be enough. 19 rounds. No. 19 rounds plus the 5 in my gun. Should be fine. Should be fine. I'm not gonna save. If I die, end of the stream. I'm not attempting this again. I have a feeling. This is where this is as far as I got last time.
Detonation.
You know what? Let's go. We'll see. I'm gonna try my best not to die. Sorry. Alright, if I... some distance. Come on, come on! No! Wow, and I got some distance and I still got hit. Alright, careful, buddy. Okay. One more shot before he jumps. Nice. Alright, but we're all fine now. Let's go. Come over here. I don't know if I got him like this. Where are you? Come over here. Oh! I don't know where he is. Where he is. That's not good. Oh, that's not good. Yes! Yes! Nightmare mode with 0 saves and 0 first aid sprays. Boom! Boom! This is my second attempt, and it's my second attempt because the first attempt I got cocky. That's why. This time I kept healing every single time I get damaged. We did it! Look, the counter... No, it hasn't stopped yet, but it's gonna stop counting the moment I get on the train. Alright, you see it froze now, 1:23:06. It froze. That is my final time. I'm sorry I cannot skip the cutscene now. Sorry, and you cannot see anything. I know you can't see anything. Sorry! There's nothing I can do right now. I cannot show you anything else. Why, Philly? Why? I think I know the answer, but why? Claire had a baby, had a daughter in the meantime.
Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine.
For the chilies.
It's over.
But yeah, I actually I took time from work so that we can do this stream.
This
We
is
can do
just
some good old quiplash, some rum, some chilies.
Goodbye, Ada.
Maybe some song requests, some dancing. Cause why not? cannot skip this. I'm very sorry, guys. Very, very sorry. You just have to listen to the beautiful music. Horse dancing. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's see what happens. It's so weird knowing that you guys can't see anything on screen. I can see the credits, but for some reason, it's not captured by OBS. It just registers it as a blank screen. Do 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 do. Thank you, Tobe. Thank you. I'm very proud of this result, huh? 1 hour 23 on Nightmare, no first aid sprays and no healing. Sorry, no first aid sprays and no saving. I mean, I wish no healing. Yeah. I'm a pro at this game. No, I don't like to call myself a pro, but I'm fairly decent. Oh, I must have finished this game over 200 times, I think, or more. I mean, today alone, I beat the game twice already. Today alone. Now, for some odd reason, the counter is gonna start again, but it doesn't count towards my final time. My final time is 1 hour 23 13 seconds, but now it's gonna start counting again. Look, you see that? It resumed, but it doesn't count now. $23.06. That's good, huh? And I got an S ranking once again. I didn't use a first aid spray, nothing. Like a boss. Do I save again? Do I make a save? I don't know. Why not? No. Special. I want to check something real quick. Do I have all the levels? I don't think I do. Yeah, but I have all the characters, I think. Let me check real quick. Time saved -1. That is awesome. That's interesting. It's interesting. Alright, I'm gonna call it though. I'm not gonna play anymore. I just wanted to see if all the characters are unlocked. Very interesting. I'm gonna go. I'll be back in like an hour or two. I'm gonna take a nap, then eat something, and I'll be back with Pokemon. So I'm gonna challenge everyone that comes my way. Toby, Red, Midna, whoever wants to battle the Vloggy is gonna get some Vloggy action in about 2 hours. So yeah, I hope to see you guys later. Take care and ciao!